Okay, up here at 1510, and you know, it's got the little cricket area here, runs down. It's a little cracked up here. I don't think that's a problem though. Down the road, it looks like what they did is they put too much roofing cement underneath, which kind of eats through the membrane, makes it soft, and then when it hardens up, it cracks up. It's like an allegation of the asphalt. There's been a couple repairs. It appears got a couple different color shingles here right in the valley. Right here is there's a weak point right here. What's going on is it probably leaked a little bit. The plywood, I don't know if you can really see it good or not. The plywood is humped up, so that's probably right on a lap of the plywood. And yeah, see the nails kind of pulled through there, and so it makes the water flow backwards back in there. Makes a weak point. Either way, bare minimum, you know, you need to open the valley up. You need to open the valley up here, fix that piece of plywood, re-nail it or change it. More than likely you'll have to change it, which in order to change that piece of plywood, you know, you have to come back over to a rafter here, go under, and you got to take a piece off of this side because this is fastened on the top of that one. So, you know, the proper way to do it, because it's not a very big valley, take the valley out on both sides, fix the plywood, which, like I say, you'll have to remove a piece there, fix the plywood here, reinstall the valley. I don't think it's higher than that, but while they're here, they can go up to this cap. You don't need to leave that cap, you know, blocking the water like that. It could be cut up higher and let the water get out of there. Even those shingles, if they would have just took the time and chalked the line, you know, you don't want resistance. You want the water to flow. And you know, it's kind of an open place right here. I'm not going to pull at it, but you know, they need to police that area. But this is the problem. When they get in there and find that, when the guys actually take this apart and they get up to this point and they see that the modified is weak, like I said there, then you're talking, you know, basically having to take shingles out in this whole area, working on the modified there, which is just a rolled roofing system, and you know, with this, I think your problem is right here. I think it's right at that piece of plywood there, and could have been the H clip was loose, or it might even be the fact that it got a little water there, and then the plywood, sometimes what it does is when it gets wet and then wet and heat makes it buckle up. And then as it buckles up, makes it higher and higher, so then the water doesn't flow over it, it runs back underneath. But it's you know, no big deal. Let me go ahead and look around here real quick. Might as well take a look at it. Yeah, somebody put the squirrel covers on for you. All in all, the roofing system actually looks pretty decent. It looks like it was laid, you know, it's nice and straight. Valleys are clean. All in all, the roofing system seems to be in pretty good shape. It's got that small problem out here in the front, which, you know, these things are just, you know, notorious for this.